Such a beautiful design, such a beautiful design. They fixed all problems compared to a previous generation. If you keep following me, you know very well that I admitted with the previous generation that leather on the sides get wear by itself in the pocket, so it become a shiny on the sides. With the second generation, look what they did. What they did, they move aluminum to a side, so every time you touch, you're never gonna affect the leather. Amazing. Harman Kardon disappear, as you can notice. It's a good thing because this plastic on the top, previously in all generation, always getting scratched by itself in the pocket. So generally they improved the build quality. They improved the build quality generally. However, guys, aluminum board, aluminum bezel frame, it's very soft. I would like to avar you that you have to make sure you don't drop the phone. I touched, look at this. I touched the corner. I'm gonna try to show you if it's possible. Give me 1 second. Here we go. You see this dent? Little dent. So I touched the corner of this phone with my iPhone, with the iPhone 14, and it's left the mark on the aluminum frame. So I would like to tell you to be careful. Generally, I like everything about this phone. It's such a nice build quality. The screen is amazing too. Look how it sits on the table. Crazy, right? Also, USB port. Let me show you something on the USB port. You see how it gets dirty? It gets dirty from the brand new charger. That moment when you will swipe your charger inside, it's gonna get scratched that you will never gonna remove. This is also about the build quality, something about the build quality. However, the sound from the phone, it's amazing. Harman Kardon is not affecting the sound at all. Actually, it's even a little bit better and louder than previously. So yeah, wait the full review, guys. Software in this phone is fire. They fixed everything, all problems. All right, peace.